So my group is the Cognitive Computational Neuroscience Lab. We are based in Obar. And what our mission is really to try to translate some of the discoveries that have been made over the last 15 to 20 years in animal models of cognitive tasks, studying tasks such as decision-making, and try to capitalize upon the knowledge that we've gained from those and translate it into neural measurements that we can make in healthy human volunteers. We have a couple of different approaches to try and link those different types of data set. One is to try and use common modeling approaches, and another is to try and use common analysis techniques. And the ultimate aim of that is that once we are able to derive those measures, we might then be able to go on to test them in experimental medicine studies and also in patient populations. I have more time than I thought. No, I don't. So just to give an example of some of the early work on this, so this is work being led by Maria Rusler, a DPhil student in the lab. And she's been studying this task, which has been really extremely well studied in macaque monkeys in the past, where you have to make a simple perceptual decision about a cloud of moving dots that are presented on the screen, and you have to decide whether, on average, the dots are moving to the left or moving to the right as they change across time. The neural signatures of that have been really well described in animal models, but what Maria's been able to do is to measure the same task using human EEG and has been able to derive a kind of equivalent measure of that decision process that's available on a single subject basis using only 10 minutes of data per subject. So we're now using that as the basis for going on to study how these processes are changed when we administer various drugs that are of relevance to psychiatry. Thanks.